Welcome to this episode of Wahala of the Day. My name is Baakofresh. Bako Fresh. You can call me Nanyaninga and I'll say Chia. You can call me Wuntutu Tasanya and I'll say share. Now, on this any new episode of Wahala of the Day, bro, it dey bust my mind. But before that, please click on the subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe. Click on the bell so that that's a notifying so that the video to appear. Ube to my them. Ube to me action intent them any fast. And click on bottom wall, ne commenting, ne like. Now on this episode of Wahala of the Day, it dey bust my mind. It dey bust me my mind. You know, my gender will disgrace me everywhere. My gender. Remember, I said, let me call you see, a man can send me do I have you. I don't know what to do on my inside. You know, we did there Norway, some woman become trade. He said, look where I found his phone at while he was bathing. I am down. Was it Jolo? No, you see, when you check the picture now, you go to say, the man did the bathroom, the bath. When I see the bathroom, it dey bust my mind. Your man dey bath. Oh, Dario, and all the new phone. I got two ceiling fans, so ceiling fan. Or the new phone, I got to so because I'm person the wife ni be won say, obi be frɛ, and I say na ɛkɔ. I will Charlie, not in the phone. I got to ceiling fan so. I don't hear Mokia. And now, oh yeah, Jamwa. And now you cry. I will just ceiling fan so. And I say, the wife also take living room. I also give me the phone now. Or where you knew a phone ring. Where is how? Of course, yeah. Ceiling fan so and a new canoe a fan and some say a fan the bediano a phone at that. It's why you baby and to say a ceiling fan so Nanya mia pata and our wife think so ceiling fan ya. It's like our phone I say oh baby by no be so ya. I find out be Johnny every bathroom better living room na phone I say yo. Hey man, boys go kill us. Hey, now how can you put your phone on the ceiling fan? No, like Charlie, no, like tell about what you myself our phone to ceiling fan so. Are the ceiling fan no? Are the jacuzzi? And a ceiling fan here. Hey boys go kill us. Where some people can comment, they say, where it comes down, people can comment, say, placing your phone close to a fan helps its processor with cooling, which turn in helps prolong battery life. Must we teach you everything, ladies? Hey, he said that you put phone for ceiling top, as they find the wine, they cool the phone. I don't know, say maybe that he has money, then phone he hot. He wants, so he won't put that for the ceiling fan then make it cool him. Ladies, man, we teach you everything. You know, me I talk, it be chemical synthesis, I be we talk. Must we teach you everything, ladies? And the phone or per se and coolie, or per se and coolie, or per my child, or per so coolie. I don't be so like I said to you. Was it my other phone stays in the boot of the car? Hey! Remember Yeniyama? Was it my other phone stays in the boot of the car? It's not the phone, I was say boot pan on the phone, was it? Under the spare wheel. Hey! They say, baby, yeah, the tire, spare no one. The phone here, the SRC. Always on silent, means either silent every day. Yeah. Then the main phone stays on the table where it can be seen. No one calls it except friends and families. You can even take that one with you. I don't care. And remember, that is boys for you. My gender will disgrace you. Hey, if you no day in car boots, where the other one where nobody they call no. Una obre, muna mobre, mumpana mobre. Take one lady I was on fire. Una obre, na car boot, no be from day. And then open that whole work check car boot to then I don't know. Where somebody can talk, say, see, that is very loving and caring. Man protects his wife from heartbreak. Hey, it true. That is very loving and caring. Man protects his wife from heartbreak. He said they protect his heart from heartbreak. So of, you know what? In wife see something where he go pour, the house go turn fire. Now what go share about galinga and better day or hold you what talent down how be home. Tell boys be fucking. Where somebody can talk say, I had a similar network problem like that. Like the only way to get calls is to get the phone way up. Sometimes even up in the ceiling. Aye. Means you get network problem. The network problem when you get, you know. Unless you put up for ceiling top before you get network. Aye. Tell them what's gonna kill you. What's gonna kill you? The guy who said who perform part a loyalty phone plug. Instagram loyalty phone plug. And our part also a bravo clothing galore. Yo pepiano, bravo clothing galore. Sefa entalia home, sefa kwalantalia home, sefa bag home, sefa shoe bibia home. Bravo clothing galore. Uko no ma, on beden, on be ma. Uko Instagram, bravo clothing galore. Facebook, bravo clothing galore. Udia woba contact wabo. No beden. My name is BAKOFRESH. This is the new episode of Wahala of the Day. Thank you.
What have you today? And what have you learned today? Subscribe to our YouTube channel whilst we bring you great news on Wahala of the Day right here on Bako Fresh TV.
Nansembi Suya Film. Nansu so betting so when you know, I just saw your Bako Fresh TV. Oh, YouTube so. And Maru, if he so bad was so young, don't man so.